If you love luxury hauls, this one is for you. I've got several luxury new items that I've added to my wardrobe, to my collection, whatever you want to call it, that I'm going to share with you in today's video. I was going to make this just a dedicated luxury haul, but I actually have quite a few things that I've purchased recently that just arrived. So I'm going to go ahead and share a few things. As always, I'll link everything down below. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I do a lot of fashion and luxury videos, so make sure after this video to stick around and watch another one. But let's go and dive into all of my new goodies. I'm gonna go and pop open one of my Alani's, the peach. It's my favorite flavor. I'm dragging today. I need a little energy. But let's see, what do we want to start out with? Do we want to like mix in the luxury? I'm gonna go ahead and mix in the luxury with the non-luxury pieces so it can just be a little more fun, because I think I have like 6 or 7 luxury items to share with you. But anyways, let's go ahead and start out with something luxury. We're gonna go ahead and start out with this Louis Vuitton box. If you are familiar with Louis Vuitton, you know what this is, at least what kind of item it is. And did you grab something for the holiday collection or during the holiday season from Louis Vuitton? Because their packaging is seriously amazing. I love this year's Louis Vuitton packaging. It was by far my favorite that they've ever done. I'm actually not sure what I'm gonna do with these boxes because I really don't save Louis Vuitton boxes anymore. I do save some of my boxes. I get asked that quite a bit, and I do keep them upstairs in an upstairs closet. In my guest room closet, that closet is really, really big for a guest bedroom. And so I keep some of my luxury boxes, not all of them. But I feel like these are worth keeping. I just don't know what to do with them. But anyways, I've wanted these shoes for a while, and it's one of those items that I like had on my wish list. I always am just like aware of them, but if you were to ask me what was on my wish list, I'd probably forget to mention these. As you can see, we've got the dust bags. Let's go ahead and pull. Oh wait, these are not even the item that I'm referring to. This is something else. So, okay. Well, let's see. I was wrong. I do have 2 pair of Louis Vuitton shoes, obviously. These are one pair that I purchased. I grabbed these sneakers. I can't remember what these are called. Like something 55, I think. I really fell in love with these. I have a few Louis Vuitton jackets that are black. I have a black, like kind of oversized, kind of windbreaker style one. I have a moto one. And I really wanted to get a pair of Louis Vuitton sneakers that really went well with that style. And I just felt like these looked really well for that style, for that vibe. I ended up ordering 2 pair of sneakers. When they came in, those actually arrived first and I really liked them. I was like, okay, I like them, but I don't really have anything Louis Vuitton to wear with them, but I like them. So I'm probably gonna end up keeping both because I knew I was gonna like these. And then when these arrived, I liked these so much more. So I did end up returning the other ones, but I thought these were really cute. And I did go down half a size. I find that Louis Vuitton sneakers, not all their shoes, but I find that Louis Vuitton sneakers run a little bit big. So I got these in a 36 and they fit really well. There's a little bit of a platform here, which is nice. I'm on the short side, so I can always use a little extra help. Lots of great details, lots of amazing details in the sneakers. I'll give you guys some close-ups, but you got monogram canvas on the lace detail here. You've got this monogram kind of plasticky material around this part. So you've got 2 different monogram canvases. You've got some Louis Vuitton here, Louis Vuitton here, Louis Vuitton on the tongue, Louis Vuitton here. Lots of amazing detail. I just thought these were really cute, and I will be able to wear these with all of my Louis Vuitton jackets. Speaking of sneakers, I do have 2 non-luxury pair of sneakers that I wanted to share with you. I think that's it as far as sneakers go. I do have some other sandals that I wanted to share with you, but I ended up grabbing these. I love this style of shoe, but I am so picky about the color combo that I will get. When I found this like black pair, I instantly knew I had to have this. I've really, really been loving the contrast of black lately, and I just thought these were really, really nice. A good year-round shoe, but especially in the fall and winter. Love the detail here. I went down half a size in these, so I guess these run a little bit big, but I really, really love this style. These are similar yet not. Like similar, but not similar as well. Really fell in love with this. Again, that contrast of the black is so good. I did go true to size on these. These are really, really nice as well. A little sleeker in my opinion, but I love this kind of tan with the pop of black, and then the bubble, is it called bubble gum? The rubber sole. I love a rubber sole. There's something about it that I just love with a natural lace. These are so, so cute. Now this is the shoes that I was referring to that I've had on my wish list for a while, and for some reason hadn't purchased them. Well, actually, a couple of reasons why I hadn't purchased them. I can never find them in my size to try on, and for some reason, I don't know why. Sometimes there are shoes that I'm okay with buying, just not knowing what size, and sometimes I'm just not. I don't know how to explain it, but for some reason these, I really, really wanted to try these on in person, and they had this size in store that I actually thought wasn't my size, and then they ended up fitting me perfectly, which is exactly what I'm talking about, because this is a totally different size than a sneaker. It's a whole half size larger than the sneaker, which is crazy to me that their sizing is so off. So I guess I went up half a size in these because I got these in a 37. These are the updated bags. I actually think this bag might even be different than the sneaker. Yes, those are more like a linen, and the new shoe bags are like a little silkier, which I thought was nice. I don't know how that worked out. I guess they're just kind of mixing in, but look at the shoes that I got. Aren't they so cute? I don't know why I wanted these for a while. They weren't like a must-have, but I was like, you know, I do kind of eventually want to get those. I just think they're so stinking cute. And I did go, like I said, up half a size in these. They're actually really, really comfortable. I don't think I'll be wearing them a ton right now. Maybe with socks. I don't know. Everybody's wearing these with socks. I'm not quite sure how I feel about sandals with socks. I mean, for practicality reasons, I get it. But for style reasons, I'm not sure I love it. But I don't know. I think these are really cute. I love them so much. I feel like I'm going to get a ton of wear out of them. Just a classic monogram with the gold detail. Very Birkenstock-esque. Really cute, right? I love these. You guys know, these are just, it's going to be a go-to for me. Look at the soles. I love the soles on the Louis Vuitton shoes. I feel like they do such a good job with every single detail. And I have a couple of sandals that are non-luxury that I wanted to share. These look almost exactly like the Louis Vuitton ones. That kind of Birkenstock-esque. A little bit chunky, not super, super chunky, but like chunky enough. Love the gold detail on these. These are so, so cute. I went true to size in these and they fit great. And then if you're looking for something a little more dainty, I love these. I love when sandals have like metal detail, and I feel like these are so feminine and so elegant looking. Wear these with shorts, wear them with dresses, wear them with like linen pants. I love these. These are like the perfect vacation sandal. Now we've got another Gucci item. It is another pair of shoes, and I actually haven't even seen these in person. I had to order these in store and have them sent to me, so I haven't seen both the color and that the size even works for me. So I'm not even 100% sure if these are going to work for me. I think this is the holiday packaging. Really, really pretty holiday packaging. I prefer the green packaging. I don't know. I love Gucci's green packaging. I'll share a little bit more of why I got these, but I just thought these were so cute. I really just thought these were so cute. A really simple, classic shoe. We've got some extra laces. Obviously, you can tell it's a sneaker. I think they shipped these from Colorado. I'm guessing they were in a Colorado store because the Houston location did not have them. Let me put this down and open this up. Here are the shoes that I got. Okay, I love this color. Love this color. Love this color. Love it, love it, love it. I got these in, I think, a 36. I hope they fit me. I haven't tried them on yet. Oh, the size is here and they are a 36. So I will try these on. I hope they fit because I really, really like these. I just tried them on and they're actually a little bit big on me, which is kind of crazy. I went down half a size already, so I might need to go down another half size. I'm not sure if I want to keep them a little loose or go ahead and go get a 35 and a half. But I do really like these. I think the color is really pretty. I hope it's coming up the right depth because it is a really, really beautiful, almost kind of like wheat sand color. I really, really like it. Simple details. You've got the GG on both sides, which I do also like. A really, really simple classic sneaker. So the next item came in this bag, but I did already pull it out just because I wanted to hang it up. So let me grab it. This is the reason why I wanted to order the Gucci sneakers. I really like putting together outfits when it comes to my ready to wear pieces. And when I grabbed this jacket, which I did actually purchase first, I felt like I didn't have a pair of shoes to wear with it. So that's why I grabbed the sneakers. So when I said I hadn't seen the color of these, that's what I was worried about. And even though I don't think they're like a perfect match, I don't think everything has to be a perfect match. I just think they need to go together. I do think these actually would style really well together. It's a deep enough color. I just feel like a white Gucci sneaker would be too white for this. So that's why I felt like this slightly darker one would be nice. What do you guys think? I think these will go well together. I feel like I could wear these with denim and like a cute tank top underneath, or a cropped tee or something, or even just like leggings and a t-shirt, leggings and like a crop top with this and the sneakers. I feel like there's definitely several ways that I could style these sneakers and the jacket. What do you think? I feel like they go really, really well together. For the jacket, I did grab an extra small. It's really cute, very simple, just like a simple hoodie, just the Gucci web down the center. You've got zipper pockets here on the side. It does have silver hardware. The drawstrings here, just really nice. I don't feel like Gucci's ready to wear has as much detail as Louis Vuitton's does, but I still am really happy with this. You've got this web kind of mesh detail on the inside, the lining. I really like this piece. I thought it was really fun. And like I said, you guys know I'm totally in my athletic style era right now, and I feel like this will work perfectly in my wardrobe. While we're talking about casual jackets, I wanted to show this one as well. You probably already got a sneak peek of it because I actually shared this with the black sneakers that I shared with you earlier. Got this in an extra small. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I hope it's still in stock because it is such a beautiful piece. Very, very lightweight. The color is literally perfection. If this comes in black, if this ends up coming in more colors, I'll probably grab it because I just love it that much. Just a great piece. And I love that the zipper is the same color as the fabric. It's just a really beautiful piece. Pockets as well. I love it, and I just had to share this with you because I highly recommend it. I've got one more ready to wear piece that I wanted to share with you, and it is from Gucci. I have wanted to get, if you watched my luxury wish list, you know that I have wanted to get a Gucci cardigan for a while, so I am checking this off the luxury wish list for 2025. This is a men's cardigan, so I ended up looking in the men's category because I wanted like oversized grandpa cardigan for some reason. I really did. I wanted oversized grandpa. I didn't want like Stepford wife cardigan, if that makes sense. And if you know anything about the Gucci cardigans, that's what they're doing right now in the women's section. And I just didn't want that. I didn't want the Stepford wife look. I wanted oversized grandpa boyfriend cardigan. So found it in the men's section. I think I grabbed an extra small in this one. Yes, this is an extra small. It is definitely oversized, but in a good way. And I love this kind of gradient GG. Do you see how it's almost like faded? Look at that. It's almost like this faded kind of GG. I love this. And I also feel like this will look good with my sneakers. I mean, it's not like perfect, but I think it'll be fine. Like I could totally style these together because it almost makes these look kind of taupey with the gray, but then it also goes with the blue. So I just thought these would go together as well. Again, that's why I was like, okay, the Gucci sneakers are a good buy because I could definitely wear it with at least these two pieces, but I could also wear this with other pieces just in my wardrobe because I do wear a lot of neutrals in general. But I just really, really fell in love with this. It is definitely a little bit thicker, a little bit heavier, but I tend to run a little bit cold. So I don't know. I just love this piece. Look at the pockets. Aren't they so cute? I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go and end it here, even though I do have quite a few other pieces that I need to share. Maybe I will do a haul on my Instagram. Let me know in the comments what you guys would prefer, but thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, stick around and watch some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.